Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageswar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get 55% off coupon codes and SHEIN for your shopping. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. First of all, you will need to open your preferred browser on your device. Whether you are using smartphone or laptop, go ahead and open your preferred browser. Let me open the Chrome browser here on my device. Once you open the browser, there you will find a search bar at the top of your device. So go ahead and type SHEIN coupon codes over there and search for it. Once you tap on the search button, there you will find links of different websites through which you can get SHEIN coupon codes. Here you can visit any one of these websites, and with that you will get discount for your shopping on SHEIN. But among these websites, this one, Coupon Flow, is the iconic website where you will find amazing deals and offers which you are not going to find anywhere else. This site is mostly known for its user-friendly interface, vast selection of retailers, and regularly updated offers. So go ahead and click on this link, and this will bring up a list of available coupon codes and deals for SHEIN. Let me click here. Here you can see there are tons of offers including discount on specific orders like 20% off, 25% off, 30% off, 10% off, 20% off, 35% off, 90% off, and so on. You can grab any one of these offers, and for that what you will need to do is you will need to just simply tap on the offer which you like the most, and with that you will be led into the detailed page of that offer where you will find a code for that offer. Okay, let me click on this offer that is 25% off, and here you can see we are on the detailed page of that offer. Here under offer details you can also check the expiration date of that offer. Make sure that the code for that offer is not expired, and if it is not expired, then go ahead and click on this copy option, and this will copy the code. Once the code is copied, now you will need to click on the redeem option which is just below the code, and with that you will be led into the official website of SHEIN. Okay, it might be that it will ask with you whether you want to continue through the app or through the website. Then go ahead and choose your preferred one. Okay, let me click here on the redeem option. And here you can see now I am directly on the SHEIN app because I have already downloaded the SHEIN app and logged in into my SHEIN account. But in case if you are not logged in, then first it will be asked with you to log in into your SHEIN account. And for that, if you don't have an account, then first you will need to create an account on SHEIN, and after that you can log in into your SHEIN account. But if you have that, then you can simply log in into it by signing in. Once you are logged in into your SHEIN account, now you can do your shopping and you can add items on your cart. Finally, when you move to the checkout page, there you will find a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which you copied previously and apply that. And with that, you will get discount on your total. It's that easy. In this way, you can save significant amount of money on your shopping through using SHEIN coupon codes. Okay? Now, let us head back to the coupon flow page. Likewise, you can also try other offers which are available here, and for that you will need to use the same exact steps which we used previously. Okay, but make sure that the code for that offer is not expired. If that is expired, then you are not going to get any discount on your total. Okay, now let's head back to the home page of our browser, and here beside this coupon flow website there is also another genuine website called Groupon. You can also visit this website, and from there also you can save significant amount of money on your shopping through SHEIN coupon codes. So friends, that's all about how to get 55% off coupon codes and SHEIN for your shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a happy saving.